How to crochet the beak. To work the beak, you must place the open part of the head facing you. You will work around 3 stitches of yarn 4. These streets are 11th, 12th, and 13th. Attach a new orange yarn in 11th Street, between ends 3 and 4. H1 plus HDC1 in 11th Street, HDC1 in 12th Street, HDC1 in 13th Street. Now turn the head 90 degrees to your right. To work the second side of the beak, photo 12. Insert the hook between streets 13th and 14th of yarn 4. HDC1. Now turn the head 90 degrees to your right to work the third side of the beak, photo 13. Insert the hook in 13th Street between yarn 4 and 5. HDC1 in 13th Street, HDC1 in 12th Street, HDC1 in 11th Street. Now turn the head 90 degrees to your right. To work the last side of the beak, photo 14. Insert the hook between streets 10th and 11th of yarn 4. HDC1, photo 15. Now, take the tail you used to finish the beak. and close it using the front loops of the last stitches. Take the tail that you left when attaching the yarn, and with the help of your needle, insert it through the center of the beak and pull it out through a stitch of your choice, away from the beak. Photo 16. Then using your needle, insert the yarn and pull it out through the same place where you pulled out the other tail. Photo 17. Finally, tie a knot with the two tails and leave them inside the head. Photos 18 and 19.